24 for a direction to the trial court to dispose of a suit. The writ petition has been filed for a direction to the OSFC to make the payment because the land in question which has been sold to the petitioner, it was not free from litigation. So since the litigation is pending, they are taking a plea that the suit is pending, so we will not pay. So this can be disposed of, but the IA can also be disposed of sometime, may be listed for honors next week. IA 15919 of 24.
Okay, I beg your pardon. Then
Mr. Mishra, just 1 minute. I think day before yesterday or something, have you informed? One matter in, I think, jail criminal appeal. You are there, you are not there because.
But that was before your lordship may disengage me.
No question of disengagement.
Then I am requesting because I can't put jail appeal now.
No, it was old appeal of the year 2000.
I understand that jail appeal, it must have been requested by the court or the
court.
The lordship may engage somebody else. As such, I am not interested to do any appeal.
No, without your consent.
No, I will keep consent.
Please, on it will be listed on Tuesday. Please come and if you say that.
That I will give.
Yes.
The lordship may appoint some other impossible.
Okay. Yes.
The tribunal order having accepted, my lord has pleased to issue notice and they are appear on pre-counter. But I have filed a miscase for that the tribunal is going on the content petition. Before vacation also I have given memo. My lord is pleased to allow. I may be
Press contempt. Press contempt.
Pardon to make a mention, my lordship has been pleased to admit the criminal appeal and directed the matter to be listed in week commencing 25th of August for considering the interim application for bail, my lord.
Please give it.
The matter,
Give it.
petitioners are in custody for.
All right. We are listing it.
Pardon to mention, my lord, press CRLA matter, my lord. Or like on this.
Supplementary Delhi, item 1. Yes, Mr. Sahoo.
On 13/1/2014, the petitioner took a loan of rupees 7 lakhs for construction of his residential house. A notice was, possession notice was issued on 24/7/2018
Yeah.
under section 13, subsection 12. Thereafter, last transaction I have paid on 18/10/2019. I have paid 30,000. Then 5/8/25, a redemption notice under another was issued.
What is the present position now?
Present position, now they are going to sell the property by auction.
Why you not challenge this notice before the alternative remedy is available?
Against this order, against this redemption notice, no remedy is available.
No, 13/4 we say that it is a consequential order of that 13/4 notice.
That was not done.
But was not done.
No steps were taken against 13/4.
No.
We have received the notice
Yes.
and thereafter no action was taken by the petitioner.
Yes.
Thereafter redemption notice was issued
Yes.
after 7 years.
Hmm.
Now I am challenging this another 4, which was made after 7 years.
It's all right. Why you cannot avail the alternative remedy? Is there any bar because of the?
Because thereafter, after 13/4, I have paid 30,000 and was silent.
Because so many decisions
I have-
of this court as well as the Honorable Supreme Court that in sufficient matters.
I have also applied for OTS.
Yes.
another 5.
All such prayer can be made before the appropriate forum. We are disposing of and giving you liberty that you appear, and also you can pursue the matter.
If that, I will avail that remedy challenging 13-4 action, then that will be Vadwell Limited.
That is why you made the second prayer. Second prayer in this writ petition, you have made that prayer.
So,
For 7 years, the tribunal.
the petition has been filed by the petitioner, Mir Wanso, challenging such and such prayer portion that you know. Mr. Sahoo and counsel appearing wants to submit that the possession notice was issued on 24/7/2018 under section 13(4) of the Surface Act. But the petition has not challenged the same before the appropriate forum. And thereafter some payment has been made. But all on a sudden, the redemption notice was issued on 5/8/2025, wherein the petitioner was requested to pay the dues as mentioned in the possession notice, along with applicable interest, cost, charges, expenses. And in case he fails to pay the dues and redeem the secured asset, the bank would be constrained to sell the secured asset to public e-auction by publication of e-auction sale notice. After this notice, you have not made any payment.
No.
Because how further after
OT is proposal. OT is proposal.
after this redemption notice, though he has not made any payment, but he submitted an OTS proposal by Annexure 5 on 5/8/2025. Has the bank given any response to you?
No.
No. The bank has not given any response to the petitioner on the OTS proposal. Be that as it may, citizens would have been for alternative remedial. It is also open to the petitioner to pursue the OTS application before the concerned bank. According to the petition, we are not expressing any opinion. The petition is disposed.
One thing I will submit,
Yes,
that no coercive action,
no,
within 3 weeks, I will file the application before the DL.
you have already made much late you have. You do not know that what is the position now.
Only
Yeah.
no coercive action.
No. Are you making a statement before us that the auction sale notice has not yet been published? Auction sale ପାଇଁ କୌଣସି stay ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
ଆମ notice କି ଆସିନି.
notice for that. You are not making anything in either in the, or you are not even able to make such a statement. Who knows that what might have happened, because it is of the August 2024. We are in October 2025. All right, next.
Item 2.
Whether it's a consequence of the non-deposit of the amount as mentioned in Annexure 4, whether in auction sale notice I think issued by the bank or not. Yes, next. Most of the government has also been taken. Next, yes, Mr. Fatih.
In this case, the petitioner is challenging the impugned order passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal under Annexure 1. Before placing the Central Administrative Tribunal, this matter has came up before this Honorable Court earlier. And on the basis of my directions, the petitioner has been allowed to passing the sit in the interview. But
Where is that order?
that order is at Annexure 4. Annexure 4, page 72.
Counter?
The counter affidavit has not been annexed. I was going through the brief. Copy of the counter affidavit has not been annexed. That means.
Have you filed the counter affidavit?
Yes, yes.
No. In the before the London Central Administrative Tribunal, whether any counter affidavit was filed by the Union of India.
No, it was filed also, a rejoinder has been filed. That
Oh,
has been with the.
Then why are you just annex the original application and
Original-
also only the rejoinder, but why not the counter affidavit? We are consistently saying that all entire pleading should be brought on record, so that we will have in a better position to assess as to whether the impugned order is right or not. So once you are withholding that counter affidavit, we do not know what stand they have taken before the tribunal. I think that that must be available with you.
Yes, ma'am.
So please file it, we'll take on next week. Okay. The Learned Counsel for the Union of India pointed out that though the Learned Counsel for the petitioner has annexed the original application copy sold to the rejoinder, but the counter affidavit filed by the Union of India has not been annexed to the writ petition. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he is having the copy of the counter affidavit and he will file. Aji file karibe?
Yes, sir.
During course of the day. Giving copy to the Learned Counsel for the Union of India. Put up this matter on Friday, next Friday कर दें, 24 तारीख को. कहाँ ना लिखा हुआ कौन दे दी चंद्र? All right, yes, next.
Please, your lordship. In this writ application, I am challenging the order passed by the Honorable PO-DRP in IA number 1105 of 2025, SA number 98/2025, without any just cause and reasoning the gross violation of provision of Surface Act, stay the auction process.
Come to the operative part of the order.
मतलब 104 page number.
पढ़ो.
Respondent bank filed objection to IA in its counter and contended that the respondent bank is making for recovery of the due strictly in conformity with provision of Surface Act and the rules made, and there are no illegality or arbitrariness in the process. The applicant has no case at all in the favor, and they have filed the essay and IA to delay the
Delay and
recovery
frustrate.
and delay the recovery process, recovery action of the respondent bank. At no point of time, the applicant have expressed their intention to settle their dues despite repeated follow-up action and by the respondent bank. Respondent bank is moving to recover its dues without its public money.
Which is public money.
After fully complying with the provision of Surface Act 2002 and the rules made thereunder, and stay granted by the tribunal.
Any stay granted by the tribunal
shall result in irreparable injury to the respondent bank, and the purpose of the Act 2002 shall be defeated. Respondent bank files citation in support of this case.
Next, पढ़ो.
Heard both the counsels and peruse the record. During the course of argument, Learned Counsel for the respondent bank submit that auction held successfully for 41.48 lakhs and 25% amount has been deposited by the auction purchaser, and further submits that if interim order is passed by the tribunal to be subject to deposit. During course of argument, Learned Counsel for the applicant submitted that the scheduled property cannot be sold as per Wheeler Act, and further submit that this is the only residential house of the applicant and prayed for stay of further proceeding. In view of the aforesaid fact and circumstances of the case and the discussion made above, respondent bank is directed not to proceed further till next date, and the applicant is directed to deposit 11 lakhs by way of DD in favor of the respondent bank in 2 installments, that is installment so and so on or before 16/9/2025.
Has he deposited or not?
Deposited.
When deposit, what is the documentary proof?
Documentary.
Have you made any averment? ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ 11 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା deposit କଲେ, applicant is directed to deposit 11 lakh by way of DD in favor of the respondent bank in two installments. The first installment 5,50,000
Yes, Your Honor.
on or before 16/9/2025, which is over. Second installment 5,50,000 on or before 1/10/2025, which is over. We just want to show, as my esteemed brother has asked you, that where is the documentary proof that you have deposited the amount.
Sir, I am from the bank.
No, by the way, you come to the first page of your writ petition.
You are the bank.
See the bank.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
why
sir.
you have come here?
No, see, why have you not implemented the parties? How can you maintain this writ petition? Just see, presiding officer. What kind of writ
God.
petition is it?
The
Who was the applicant? Who was the applicant?
applicant
before
must
the
be the borrower.
borrower. The borrower is not party.
This order was passed in favor of the borrower.
Yes.
You are not making him a party, and third party interest must have been created as it
Yes.
appears.
You not
You are also not impeding him party.
You want a writ against the presiding officer?
Strange,
Just see your
Yes,
consent.
sir.
Do you want a writ against the presiding officer of
No.
DRT?
Dear.
আরে ডিআরটি প্রিজাইডিং
No,
অফিসার
no,
কোন
সেটা
অপোজিট পার্টি করছেন
ভুল করে দিয়েছেন জুনিয়র যে করছেন
So there is no opposite party then.
তো
আগে আঙ্কু ବି পার্টি କରିନି amendment କରିବେ
the land council petitioner seeks some time to
amend
amend the
the
writ petition
It will apply to us.
put up this matter after 2 weeks. Yes, next week.
Item 4.
Item 4, Mr. Apares Bhui. Yes. Caveat has been filed. Have you served copy of
My
the
lord.
writ petition?
I have served the.
Who is the counsel?
My lords, Alok Kumar Das.
His name should have been reflected here. Why the caveator's name has not been reflected in the cause list? Even though the name is there in the top of the brief. His
My
name is
lords,
there.
challenging the same,
Whatever it may be, he has filed a caveat. So,
my lords, challenging the same order, bank has,
you will not hear unless the person come. Yes, as a right, you have left. It is stated by Mr. Bhui, the Land Counsel for the
He says
petitioner.
against the same order, another petition is pending.
my lords.
Ah,
A
keep the
writ
number.
petition that has been directed to be listed on 3rd November.
Against the same.
In
The,
the,
Give the number.
the caveat petition has been filed by Mr. Alok Kontana,
Alok Kumar Das.
Alok Kumar Das, and he has also
Yeah,
served
no,
a copy of the,
ଯାହାର ବି କେସ୍ ଥାଉ ନିତିନ ନା କୋଉଠି ପଳା
one for the mute karo. Alok Kumar Das, and he has served a copy of the writ petition on Mr. Das. But the name of the Land Counsel for the caveator is not appearing in the cause list. Stop. Mr. Bhui further submits that what has been filed by
Bank, my lords.
bank has filed what?
WPC 23693 of 2025.
That is connected to this matter.
My lords.
It is
Same order has been challenged. I am the auction purchaser.
The
The bank has come.
WPC number
23693
23693
3
of
2025.
25. That is filed by the
Bank.
bank, and that is also pending.
My lords, that has been directed to be listed on 3rd November.
With but it should have been separately listed. See you order for election. As it appears, as appears from the submission made by the Land Counsel for the petitioner, that this matter is connected to WPC number 23693 of 2025, which has been filed by the Union Bank of India,
OP number 1. Here with me.
OP number 1 of this writ petition, challenging the very same order dated 17/7/2025, passed by the London DRAT Kolkata in appeal case number 46 of 2025, which is also impugned in this writ petition. And in the said case, the date has been, এই সেটা বার করো, date কেবে fix up হয়ে যাবে,
My lord's order style.
এইটা আছে যে। And the, এটা কোনো তার, and the date has been fixed to 13/10/25 হয়েছিল লেখা আছে,
My lord's 3rd November.
কোড পাইলে,
Order 1510 order
16/10 ওটা অর্ডার হয়েছে,
1510. My lord.
তারপর অর্ডার করে হলো, হ্যাঁ, গোটে অর্ডার কোন আছে 8/9/2025 পরে লেখা আছে লিজ দিস ম্যাটার অন 13/10/25, তারপরে অর্ডার হয়েছি, দেখি এই অর্ডার কোন ପାଇଁ আসিনি, ହଁ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇକି ଅଛି, ଡେଟ୍ upload the order, ହେଲା, further submits that the case is now, the said case is been posted to 3/11/2025.
My lords, in that writ petition, I have been implemented as OP number 2.
It's all right, obviously.
And so, and this matter is listed along with WPC number 23693 of 2025, indicating the name of the land and council for the bank and other opposite parties. Stop. Put of this matter along with WPC number so and so on 3/11/2025. Though the records of the WPC number so and so has been attached to this file, but it should be separately listed indicating the council name in the cause list. Stop. On perusal of the records of WPC number 23693 of 2025, we find that the matter was first taken up on 8/9/2025 and it was adjourned to 13/10/2025. Mr. Bhui has filed an order dated 15/10/2025, passed in the said case, in which the date was posted to 3/11/2025. But the said order has not been scanned and available in the file. The registry shall do the needful to also upload the order of the so and so 15/10/2025 in the briefcase.
I'm sorry to interrupt, my lord. Item 2 cannot appear.
No, she thankful associate. Not the
AC Jana is your associate?
My lord.
yes.
Acha, AC Jana, that
No.
may be the.
Alok.
May I audible, my lord?
Yes, next.
My lord, may I audible, my lord?
5.
Yes, Mr. Pari.
Item 2 I could not appear, my lord. That's the password.
Item,
was-
it is fixed to 24th.
Hon'Ble.
The counter affidavit has not been annexed to the writ petition, though the original application and rejoinder affidavit were annexed. So we have asked him to file that counter affidavit copy and give a copy to also the you. So that is
Hon'Ble.
the order and it is posted to next Friday. All
Hon'Ble.
right?
Hon'Ble.
Yes.
Item 5.
Strange case before my lord. Initially, an amount of 14 lakh.
Which
was-
for the other side? Have you received a copy of the writ petition? During,
I will serve a copy.
during course of the day?
Today, I will.
You are Mr. Panigrahi?
I'm the associate of Pandra, BJP.
Then,
Today is the sale, my lord. Day sale today is commencing. They downsized my loan agreement.
Mr. Land Council, so and so appearing for Ramchandra Panigrahi, the counsel for the ICCI Home Finance Company Limited, submits that no copy of the writ petition has been served on him. Mr. Patnaik, Land Council appearing for the petitioner, submit that he will serve the copy of the
In course of the
writ
day.
petition
In course of the day.
list this matter
Let them not take any decision, my lord. Today is the sale date, Annex of 5.
on
That's my kind clerk.
22nd of October 2025.
Today is the sale then. Lordship, may kindly have a glance at page 5.
We
But,
are not entertaining this, we are giving alternative
My
remedy
lord,
available. But whatever you want to do, with auction,
My lord.
if you also participate, we will not pass any order. Yes,
My lord,
next.
they downsize, but before that they recall the order and my lord.
You have alternate remedy. We may not entertain this.
Your lordship,
request.
I bow down that my lord may protect me, but some days I will go before the deity, my lord.
Yes, yes. Next item number.
Item 6.
Paper. Whose placement collector is collector, I'll serve just. Nobody, collector. Nobody. Private person filed, but
Copy देना थी ना कौन?
okay, I know. At the time of filing, there is no notice issued by my client. So if they are present, I will just now serve the copy. But what I will list, my lord, I permitted to correct the prior persons. Annex, I challenge Annex 12. That has been by me, typewriter mistake. Annex 1, that has been mentioned. And also in ground, that
You want to file an interim application for correcting the prayer?
yes, sir.
All right.
Prayer and also grounds.
और ground भी correct.
Ground Annex 10 ही जैसे 12.
ठीक है. The learned counsel for the petitioner. You are Mr. Mahanti?
Yes, madam.
What is this SPC full form?
Senior panel counsel.
Senior panel counsel submits that he intends to file an interim application for amendment of the writ petition stop. He further submits that he was not aware that the caveat petition has been filed by Mr. Patnaik, and he will serve the copy of the writ petition on Mr. Patnaik during course of the day. By 22nd of October 2025. All right. Stop. Put up this matter immediately after the filing of the interim application for amendment of the writ petition.
Right.
All right. Yes.
Only the corrected person, page only to that.
In the Hatte Deda, ye file you.
No, I'll file.
You file the.
Yes, sir.
That page is to be.
Mention, I'll mention.
Item 7.
So we are, if you file that interim application by 22nd,
Yes,
it will be listed on 24th of October.
Yes, yes, madam.
That
All right.
also. In case the interim application for amendment is filed on 22nd of October 2025, this matter be listed on 24th of October 2025 with the IA.
Okay.
Item 7.
Below item number 7,
Yes.
I'll have a very short submission. The petitioner has availed a cash credit loan of an amount of 10 lakhs on 27 March 2019. Notice under section 13(2) has been issued under Annex 2 series at page 23, that is 12/5/2021. But recently, what they have done, a sale notice, auction sale notice, e-auction sale notice has been issued under Annex 1 series, that is page 17. Lordship may kindly turn to directly page 18, that is, that gives the entire data. Page 19. Lordship may see page 19, that is column number 3, that is total liability as on dated 4 September 2025. That is amount of 13,42,790.
You have got the alternative remedy.
Milord, I'm saying,
Yes.
I'm saying, Milord.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, what happened, Milord? On 13, the auction has been scheduled on 14. But one day before the auction, I have deposited the amount, further amount of 1,50,000 rupees with the bank. Lordship may take the document at the Annex 7, that is appended to the IA.
Will not say anything, will say that you.
Milord, what I only one line submission that. Meanwhile, I have processed an application with the bank and undertaken that the total liability which has been reflected in the sale notice, I have undertaken to pay the amount. Now the bank has agreed and the auction sale has been postponed. What I am praying, Milord, I have undertaken to pay the entire amount by 22nd. Lordship may say by end of this month. And to assist the court, Milord, I have brought my friend.
All right, writ petition has been filed by the petitioner Vishnu Prasad Behera, challenging the
Milord, one sentence.
auction sale notice dated 4/9/2025 issued.
Milord, notice has been issued.
bank.
Notice has been issued to a deceased member. The deceased is the guarantor. Borrower has no property.
Annexure 1.
The entire family, residential family wants to pay the
Counterparty
outstanding dues.
Petitioner submits that to in the auction sale notice, the date was fixed to 14/10/2025 for auction, but that that became unsuccessful, and the petitioner also in the meantime has deposited some amount and is pursuing with the bank to deposit the balance
Total liabilities.
and to clear the total liabilities and stop.
By this end of this month.
He further submit that the petitioner is ready and willing to clear the entire bank dues by end of this month. Be that as witness petitions should have put for alternative remedy purposes. It is also open to the petitioner to pursue the bank for the settlement of the loan. We are expressing
Auction sale is deferred, not settled.
auction sale, though it was fixed to 14/10, it was deferred.
It was deferred and I have undertaken to pay the
It was
entire
deferred.
outstanding amount.
He has made part payment and he has also filed undertaking to clear the amount by end of this month.
Deep obligement.
Yeah.
Great.
Item 8.
Petitioner is an auction purchaser who purchased the property and sale confirmation has been issued on 15/7/2025, and with much persuasion and after notice, the sale certificate has been issued only on 3/10/2025, and I ascertain that there is a direction to take possession on 9/9/2025, but the possession could not be taken, and I have not been handed over with the possession of the property. I have served a copy on Mr. Mishra.
My lord, kindly see the conduct. My lord, once the DMS passed the order last year, kindly see, my lord, the letters we have given by way of a memo. Kindly see, my lord.
No, this latest sale certificate is dated just
3/7.
My lord, certificate is dated 3/10, but 14 order, kindly see, my lord, that has been passed last year. We are repeatedly asking, kindly see page 8, annex the pages. That was passed on 4/7/24. We have written consistently, and what is the reply? Page 3, kindly see, my lord. That essay is pending. My lord, the essay is pending. Section 14 order has not been challenged. There is no interim order.
Who is this petitioner?
Petitioner is the successful auction purchaser.
And sale certificate you have issued. So your the next course of action is to hand over the position of the.
That is why those letters I am saying, my lord, what is the inaction of the state, my lord?
Whatever has happened in the past, it's all right, but now.
Now, my lord, kindly see the letter 8/9/25. Kindly see page 3 for a moment. What is the plea being taken by the sub-collector?
You have grievance against the government.
No, he is telling us, actually, we have to give possession by what you said, sir.
Yes.
We have written numerous letters. देखो ना दिया गया. We have written.
It's all right, but now
We have written to the DM.
it is your responsibility.
For a moment.
Yes.
He has given a bunch of paper to me just now. I have gone through it. They have this DM order has been passed since last one and.
That's what he says that.
And sub-collector is saying that during pendency of the essay which has not been numbered, for that it is deferred until.
There is no stay order. The section 14 order has not been challenged in the essay. Kindly, my lord, in many cases, in fact, we were supposed to approach this honorable court for their latches, but they have now come
No,
out.
what is pending before the collector?
Collector pass कर देना. Kindly see, my lord, page 8. Collector order pass करला परे अगर सेमाने कौन करूचनी, kindly see, they are sleeping over it. पेज 3 टा आपन देखले 8/9/25 रे आज्ञा कोन कहिचंती. स्टे ऑर्डर नहीं, किछि नहीं, केस पेंडिंग अछि. बारंबार पुलिस कहूची एमती कामो सेमती कामो. We were supposed to come, my lord, that he has come. I was advising the bank.
It's all right, but now once you file that 14 application, and we can keep this matter pending. Now, once you file, we can say that.
14 order has been passed.
It has to be implemented.
Page 8 is the 14 order.
One thing, collector has already been made a party.
Yes, sub-collector has been made.
Sub-collector has nothing
No,
to
no,
do.
he has to direct because he is writing the instruments, my lord.
We'll issue notice, let us see.
My lord, the government will accept whatever I have given a copy to him also.
Even the so far the
If my
statute is
learned
concerned,
friend,
Not only in this case, my lord.
we'll seek instruction.
my learned friend will seek instruction, this matter will be settled.
Simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Next week we'll keep it ready.
Next week.
The sub-collector is.
You get instruction, give the copy of the.
Yes,
and
ma'am,
this
everything,
also.
everything.
This also.
My lord, this I have given already copy.
We'll get instruction.
I have given, my lord.
First page or letter ta kaun eta ki kaam deyche?
My lords, kindly see from SBS R Bhubaneswar, dated 15/25 to DM Jajpur.
The second letter ta देखो sir.
तापर आगे 3 रे देखंतु 8/9 रे what they have stated.
से पुलिस जाइथिले पुलिस सब जाइथिले 9/9 रे किंतु जेहेतु सब कलेक्टर विथड्रॉ करे
Now we will be,
again
we will advise rightly.
My lord, what I was saying,
Next week, 1 minute,
My lord-
next week he will advise his client.
I bow down to that, my lord. But what I'm saying, my lord, this is a problem which all banks are facing perennially. On that is why, my lord, on the basis of this case, your lordship can issue certain directions when your lordship takes it up for finally.
अरे काहे हम प्रोफेशनल
In spite of honorable appeals court order that they should not go into the merit of the case.
No.
These are not. Land and building. It appears that
My lord, can the sub collector
the
implement a different order of the
One minute, dictation.
नोट टा डिक्टेट होचे तुम काहे सो डिस्टर्ब
You are assisting the court.
petitioner has deposited the total auction amount of rupees 1 crore 85 lakhs and 50,000 with the bank. And sales certificate dated P10/2025 has been issued in favor of the petitioner. But till date, no physical possession has been given. It is further stated that the SP Jaspur has directed to deploy the police personnel on 9/9/2025 to take possession of the purchased property. But till date, the bank authorities has not handed over the possession of the property to the petitioner. Stop. The London Council for the bank submits that steps have already been taken under section 14 of the Surface Act, and orders have also been passed, but by the case passed for this.
My lord, kindly see page 8, 4724, Collector Jajpur has passed the order.
Asha. And in miscase number 9 of 2024 under section 14 of the Surface Act, the Collector Jajpur has passed the order and
4724, my lord.
4724.
Bam Patel.
सेल करिया पूर्व नहीं
4720, huh?
सेल करिया पूर्व ऑर्डर नहीं सर
47/2024, in which direction has been also issued to the
सब कलेक्टर सब डिविजनल मजिस्ट्रेट जाजपुर
class issued
सब डिविजनल मजिस्ट्रेट जाजपुर
The last part
to
of
the,
the
to the subdivisional magistrate Jajpur
सुपरटेंडेंट पुलिस स्टेशन
And SP police.
and superintendent of police Jajpur
fourth line.
to provide necessary police protection, police force, and the magistrate to take over position and In spite of that, the possession has not been handed over to the bank.
My lord, page 3 टा kindly take my lord, देखिए देवे. Why, my lord?
The document to that effect has been filed by the land counsel for the bank, which have taken on record.
Last D line again.
And he has also filed a document
That letter, my
which is
lord.
the letter dated 8/9/2025 of the sub-collector Jashpur, wherein it is mentioned that since one case is pending before the Land and Debt Recovery Tribunal, Cuttack, the taking over physical possession has been postponed
Is postponed until further order.
until further orders. The Land and Counsel for the petitioners, also the Land and Counsel for the bank submits that no interim order has been passed in the said case, which was instituted before the Land and Debt Recovery Tribunal, Cuttack.
My lord, section 14 order also they have not challenged. The essay copy I have got with
And
me.
the order passed under section 14 of the SFSI Act has also not been challenged. So, be that as it may, since copy of the writ petition has been served on the Land Council for the state, which is appearing for the opposite party number 4 and 5, that the Land Councils obtain instruction in the matter and place this matter on 24th of October. 20, हाँ? 27th of October 2025. On the next date, the Land Council for the state shall apprise this court as to why, even though the petitioner is the successful bidder and said certificate has been issued in her favor, and in spite of the earlier direction of the
Collector, my lord.
collector under section 14 of the SFSI Act, why the bank has not been given possession of the property so as to be handed over to the petitioner. Yes, next.
My name may I may my lord Subrat Mishra for SBI. I'll file.
Mr. Subrat Mishra, kind, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏ କଣ?
वकालत नामाटा आगे से.
Mr. Subrat Mishra,
I will
Land
stop.
Council submit
By
that
next day.
he has the instruction to appear for the State Bank of India, and he has produced.
I undertake to file wakalat nama.
In the previous matter, your friend called you, you didn't help.
My lord, that was for Canara Bank. I did not have instructions. My lord. So without instructions, I never appeared.
Free copy of the order be handed over to the Land Council for this.
Direct to list in fresh admission so that fresh admission last soon state.
এটা তো আসিও এটা
appeal period
under the headings of press admission.
Well,
Item 9.
Applied for a loan, house building loan of 10 lakhs in law. The bank authority has issued 3,50,000 only. Now they have issued the surface notice below under section 13(2) by the annex 1. Petitioner's claim is that he has never received the 10 lakhs rupees below. Only he has received.
To notice ଆପଣ ଯଦି ପାଇଲେ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ କଣ next step କଣ ନେବେ?
He has filed on representation by the annexure 5.
Annexure?
5.
So what happened on your
No,
representation?
nothing happened.
ନାଇଁ କିଛି ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି
No.
ତ ଆସିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏଠି କଣ ଆପଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତକ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେମାନେ କିଛି next step ନେଇନାହାନ୍ତି. If you say that you have filed the representation, that you have filed the response under annexure 5, what is the date of this response? କେବେ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ annexure 5 ଟାକୁ?
3/6/2025.
3/6/25.
Prayer is to implement the order of the CGM like this previous matter. Oh, 9, sorry.
No.
Sorry.
Close the loan account so and so, receive so and so. ଆପଣଙ୍କ representation पर ଗୋଟେ time limit ଥାଏ.
Reply दो आप.
କେତେ କେତେ ଦିନ? reply तो से दे ही देले माने reply माने in the form of representation से देले 13 to notice by
With due respect, unless they will reply, there will be no cause of action. There is no cause of action for anything because they have not taken further steps for sale or possession or anything.
The prayer
There is no
is
cause of
very.
action. Unless
no
there will
cause
be
prayer-
13
prayer.
will be issued, there will be no causation of
No,
action.
that we,
Prayer is very
but
enormous.
why are you keeping this representation pending with you, Annexure 5? Are you not giving a copy of the?
No.
So he has instruction, you hand over you will obtain instruction about the status of your representation under Annexure 5. Because as you say that
You paid
if
everything.
you have paid everything and ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ସୁଝିବାକୁ ଅଛି ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ରୁ କଣ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ମୋ ଲୋନ ରେ ଯୋଡି ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଆଚ୍ଛା ଓକେ hand over a copy.
The reconciliation issue maybe.
Ultimately, we may refer it to the mediation if there is any such thing is to be. If you say that you have already cleared, but
Let me, my lord, take instruction. Then
Now, if you agree now also we can send it.
no, why not? Let me take
It's all
it.
right.
a copy,
Copy.
a copy of the petition be served on the Mr. Foreign Counsel, who has instruction to appear for.
Usually appear.
Who usually appears for the opposite party bank. Matter be listed on 24th of October 2025.
Maybe 23rd.
23rd से बॉल
Oh,
का
I got it. Then 27.
Okay, on 27. कारण आपण तो किसी proceed करना दी से भी कोना दी proceed. एपर्यंत आउ 13-4 notice बा अन्यान्य जिनस किसी है नहीं तो
instruction.
आपण knowledge रे नहीं. Obviously बुझिए रे. Release this matter on 27th of October 2025. Yes. Indicating the name of this. In the meantime, you filed your Wakalatnama.
I'll file.
Yes.
Item 10.
May I please, Your Lordship? The outset, I'm extremely grateful that Your Lordship take up this matters and you're mentioning yesterday the urgency, my lord. The bank intimates that they're going to take over the flat by tomorrow.
Who are you?
I'm the borrower, co-borrower, husband and wife. We have bought a flat. We have taken a loan of 50 lakhs way back in 18 तापरे कोविड टाइम रे मोरेटोरियम रहलानी तापरे कोविड पर आज्ञा डबल चार्जेस करके आजिका डेट आई हैव पेड 28 lakhs तापर भी सेवन आजिका डेट 57 lakhs आउटस्टैंडिंग देखुछंती तो मु डिसाइड करे ठीक अछि अपन मो घर नै जानतु आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू पे तो 22 से सेवन मते पोजीशन नोटिस सिंबॉलिक पोजीशन आसी देले एबे माय लॉर्ड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड नेगोशिएटिंग ओटीएस पे मागिली मना कले ए 16 9 रे आज्ञा आसी की फिजिकल पोजीशन नोटिस मार देले आ मते कहउचंती जे हमर तमरो वैल्यूएशन होची ओनली 24 lakhs तमे 57 lakhs आउट तमको आहुरी 30 lakhs दबाको पड़ो सो नाउ कंप्लीटली एग्री सो नाउ आई वांट टू फाइट दिस केस दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव चैलेंज दिस वेकेंट नोटिस मतलब नोटिस जो वेकेंट नोटिस मतलब जो वेकेंट नोटिस पठै छन एट एनेक्सर 1 देखन तो सीजीएम कर ऑर्डर ता होची जनवरी 2024 रो मतलब there are pattern of decision which says that reasonable period between अपन दबा कथा जदी एक्ट करबे
जहां हम पाखरे कहउचंती सब जिंस डीआरटी रे कहि परिबे कि नाही हम प्रश्न
because of the urgency and because this is a glaring administrative lapse here my lord अब आगे annexure 1 कटी के देखंतु annexure 1 the order passed by the learned CGM
पोजीशन नोटिस ता केबे करो
सिंबॉलिक पोजीशन के 16 9 रो 45 days भी दो ना चाहिए क्या
16 9
तो डीआरटी 16 9 2025 और ऑर्डर होची 2024 से जनवरी रो
16 9 2025 कोड लिखा ही जाबे
आज्ञा ये जो एनेक्सर 1 पेज 11 एनेक्सर 1 पेज 11
नहीं सिंबॉलिक पोजीशन नोटिस ता होची एनेक्सर 5 पर ना
नहीं सिंबॉलिक फिजिकल पोजीशन नेबे बोली कोचंदी का एनेक्सर 1 रे एनेक्सर 1 रे वेकेंट करो तो बोली कोचंदी एनेक्सर 1 रे 16 9 रे दोचंती सिंबॉलिक पोजीशन आज्ञा 22 से देले एबे आसी कि 16 9 रे मादे की गले तले अपन वेकेंट करंतु हमें एई छुट्टी एंड मु जहा सुनिया को पाइली मगले
14 प्रोविजन अनुଯାयी सीजीएम रो ऑर्डर अछि अपन किछि चैलेंज करना था माने
नहीं चैलेंज करि पाने एथि लागि माय लॉर्ड बिकॉज़ नेगोशिएशन चला आई वाज रेडी बिकॉज़ आई वाज ब्रोक आई वाज रेडी टू गिव अप माय फ्लैट माय रेसिडेंशियल हाउस आई वाज रेडी टू गिव अप
एयर मैकेनिक ग्लांस
ठीक है गुड
नहीं प्रेयर आपण कहउछन सीजीएम ऑर्डर टा इंप्लीमेंट हो
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉ ଇନ୍ ଦ ସେନ୍ସ ସେମାନେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଯେ 13/1
ଫିଜିକାଲ ପୋଜିସନ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଓଭର କରିବେ।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ହଉଛି ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ମୋ କହିବା କଥା ହଉଛି ଯଦି ବି ସିଜିଏମ୍ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ ଇଟ୍ ହାଜ ଟୁ ବି ରିଜନେବଲ ପିରିୟଡ ଭିତରେ ମୁଁ ସେୟା କହୁଛି ଜାନୁଆରୀ 2024 ର ଅର୍ଡରଟାକୁ ତମେ ଆଜି କେମିତି ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବ ଦେयर ଆର୍ କ୍ୟାଟନ ଅଫ ଡିସିସନ୍ସ ୱିଚ୍ ସିଜିଏମ୍ ଆଉ ଡିଏମ୍ ଯୋଉ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ପାସ୍ କରିବେ ଟୁ ଟେକ୍ ଫିଜିକାଲ ପୋଜିସନ ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇମ ଲିମିଟ ଥିବ 2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ
Whatever it may be, the thing is that the order has been passed by the Learned CGM.
in January 2024.
Right, and that is to take over the possession of your building.
My honorable submission is that is no more valid, my lord. Because the bank has to revalidate it.
Life of that order doesn't.
Yes.
As it is, you have got 1 year.
1 year.
More than 1 year.
My lord, 1 year because more honestly coach I did not have the means to go कारण से मैं OTS accept करू नथले तो बार-बार कहली अकाउंट मते OTS कर दियंतु I am ready to pay or give up my flat. से मैंने OTS राज्य लेनी. So I was ready to give up my.
What we are saying is, since you have decided to fight it out, the case is you fight it out.
Protection दरकार है.
On a proceed in accordance with law.
Do that. I will do that, madam.
In accordance with law means right proceeding you have.
Yes. My lord, 45 days before I should move the DRT. 45 days है ही नहीं. All negotiation failed when they yesterday intimated me that they are going to take over the position tomorrow.
Still you have time.
Lakshmi, protect me for some days. I will move the DRT.
In fights also, challenging with a prayer they kill it. Proceedings could have put for the alternatives also. In view of such, without expressing any opinion in this one, we give liberty to the petition to the response. Yes, this forward.
Can I pray one more thing, my lord? Since I'm challenging the validity of the learned CGM's order, my lord, I got a date ko asu because there are decisions which I want to place. My lord, this will be decided once and for our High Court also. Honorable Justice Jaswant Singh ka achhi judgment, my lord.
No, there are other contrary decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court who just don't time out jaha nosto kar
CGM has to pass 30 days or plus 30, 60 days outer limit.
60 days
has to pass.
देढ़ वर्ष ପରେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା.
The period of which implementation is depend upon so many things. ତେଣୁ ତାର କିଛି
ନାଇଁ limit ଅଛି.
You are not challenging the validity of the order. You are challenging to implement it with a reasonable period of time.
Yes, that I'm trying to say. It has to be implemented.
That prayer itself is frustrated because the order was passed in January 2024. Till today, you got that time, October.
No, my lord.
Had it been implemented immediately, you would have been thrown out.
My lord, I was not aware of that order.
You got time.
My lord, I was not aware of that order.
Anyway.
ଆମ ପାଖକୁ notice ଆସିଲା 16
In fact, you got the benefit of this order.
16 my lord. 16 ଆମେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବୁ. Your lordship protected me for some days.
Next item number 11.
Item 11.
Item 11. In terms of order, lordship's order, they have physically inspected and make measurement and drawing has been prepared. Submitted by the Tahsildar. As per some other day, so that I will file a complaint affidavit.
The Land Council for this case gives some more time to file the complaint affidavit of this matter. November 7th, I think. November 7th. Yes, next.
Item 12.
My lord, if I've got a favorable, can I pay for an urgent certified copy?
Yes.
May I please, my lord, but though it is listed in the orders, my lord, that while filing the application, my lord, the certified copy has not been filed. That's why I filed the application for dispensing the file certified copy.
So review petition, it requires that you are to file the certified copy. So why are you not filing?
Because,
why it will be dispensed with?
Already I am filing that.
You are the Learning Council for the Learning Senior Panel Council appearing for the Union of India filing the certified copy Judgment 27/2025 passed by this court in WPC number so and so submits that he doesn't want to face the interim application that is IN number 289 of 2025. The certified copy is taken on record, IA is disposed of as not pressed. Yes. Now, this review petition will be listed for admission, fresh admission next week. Okay.
On 22 or 24, as your lordship please.
No, 24th, this matter for fresh admission on 24th of October 2025. Okay. Yes.
Item 13.
Item 13, my lord, I pray for 1 week time to remove the defect.
What is your good name?
Sudeshna Pal.
Na Likhindun, Sudeshna Pal, appearing for Soma Patnaik.
Yes, ma'am.
Submits that the defects as pointed out by the stamp reporter will be removed within a week.
Yes.
Within a week. Matter will be stayed immediately after the defects are removed. Yes.
Item 14.
Okay.
My lords, I am for item 14. My lords, I am for item 14.
Yeah.
I pray for modification of the order dated.
What modification?
Your Honor, modification at the I have annexed the Your Honor's order at page number 12. Your Honor.
What modification you want? Just tell us. We are having that order. What modification you want?
Yes. In that order at page number 12, Your Honor, as mentioned at the last line, however, we find that those persons who have received the compensation were having original quota with them and those are verified.
1 minute, Mr. Hota. 1 minute. It has to be heard by the...
Since this order has been passed by division bench, in which one of us, Justice S.K. Rao, and Honorable Justice Chittaranjan Das, the party, this interim application is placed before the same bench which passed the order dated 17/4/2025. Yes.
Item 15.
Item 15 matters, two time matters, I am to file one interim application. There is some inadvertent typographical error taken place in the prayer portion. The original application has been wrongly typed. So
you intend to file an interim application for amendment of the writ petition. How much time you want?
Prayer portion.
जोठी जहाँ फाइल केते समय आपण दरकार 2 weeks time. लेखंतु the learned counsel for the petitioner seeks 2 weeks time to file the interim application for amendment of the writ petition. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 10th of November 2025 with the interim application, if any filed. A copy of the interim application be served on the learning council for the other side. Yes, next.
Item 16.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, I am asking.
Yes.
Is there an application? The matter is disposed of already.
Dispose of that way, IA was filed in pursuant to the order passed by the Honorable Apex Court. That order has been subsequently filed before my lord.
We dispose of the special petition by reserving liberty to the petitioner hearing to file an application before the appellate authority seeking restitution of possession pending disposal of the appeal. It is needless to observe that if the petitioner succeeds in the appeal, then the consequence of order will automatically follow. It is observed that if any such application is made by the petitioner before the appellate authority, the same shall be considered as expeditiously as possible on its own merit and in accordance with law. Alternatively, the petitioner is also obligated to file an application in the disposed of matter before the High Court seek restitution of possession having regard to the result of the NP. So, Either any appeal has been,
Appeal has been filed. I will, the date chart is there for your, my lord's appreciation.
what order we passed while disposing of this matter?
Lord, your lordship may grant me some time, I'll file objection to this application.
Which one? This
These
interim
applications. My lord,
Just a minute. IN
17647.
647 of 20. Have you received the copy of the interim application?
Yes, my lord, day before yesterday I received, I thought for instructions.
Mr. Gaurachandra Mahapatal and Senior Advocate is present for the petitioner. An interim application has been filed in pursuance of the order dated 22/9/2025 passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, SLP number so and so. Copy of the interim application has been served on the Land Council for
OP number 2.
opposite party number 2. Mr. Gopal Agrawal and Senior Advocate appearing for opposite party number 2 submits that he intends to file objection to the interim application. And for such purpose, he may be given some time.
Next week,
Next week,
next week I will not able because
And
Deepavali.
ଆପଣ କନସେନ୍ସସରେ ଡେଟଟା କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ତା ଭିତରେ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରିକି ଆପଣ
Suggestion, my lord.
ହଁ
A date may be fixed in between my friend in the
ସେଇ
objection.
ଡେଟଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଖାଲି
The lordship may call it on first week,
ହଁ
first week November or second week, 10, 11, 10 or 11.
On 10/11/2025. In the meantime, objection if any to the interim application be solved, filed, solving a copy on the Land Council for the petitioner.
By the way, why have you filed application here? You should have filed in the appellate tribunal. Why have you filed?
No, he has already approached.
No,
He has already approached.
no,
We have-
Lord.
Yes, yes, appeal has been filed.
Your
Then
lordship,
the application, see, Supreme Court says that before appellate authority or High Court, there is nothing pending in this. We have only said we have relegated you to the appellate authority. You have to move any application for
Yes, yes.
restoration of possession before appellate authority.
substantive part of the order is to file an application before the appellate authority. The appeal was filed prior to order by the apex court.
This is a
Without
useless
filing
exercise.
application there, they filed here.
That what your lordship proposes to say. What happened?
Petitions shall be considered as expeditiously as per. No, Mr. Mahapato, we just want to know the order in the operative part of that particular order dated 22/9/2025. You have been given 2 options.
Go to appellate authority or dispose of matter you.
Having regard to the order passed in appeal, my lord, they have not approached any appellate authority.
Your lordship says that alternative remedies before this court. I said that both the options need to be applied. That is my interpretation. Both the options.
But in the writ petition, we have only said that you have a remedy under 36.
I am
You have to file a reply, appeal there.
saying
You have to file appeal there, and there in that appeal you have to move up.
yes. Appellate
That's the idea.
cannot restore the possession. That is the whole problem. They can stay the order, but possession has already been taken. I have been dispossessed.
Possession because we have only relegated you to the appellate authority.
And the substantive part
That's the
of the
problem.
order is also to approach the appellate
Anyway,
authority.
let him file this reply, but I don't.
And it is an ex parte order, my lord.
In
Without hearing us,
the
this
order
order
passed by this honorable court in the writ application, immediately the appeal was filed. Intimation was given to the opposite party.
Anyway, appeal is
In
there.
spite of knowing that fact that the appeal has been preferred, they evicted on the next day, me forcibly. And during that period, the matter was pending before the honorable High
in
Court
accordance with law.
or Supreme Court, and a motion was made. In pursuant to which the honorable apex court passed the order.
Yes, next item.
Item 17.
The 17 status of the appellant was sought for taken up on 27th.
बेल थिला ये
Bail
बेल में और जेल भीतर एते काइन लो जम केबे कोई आनिया पे षोहल 4/25 अपन देखो माने को हिसाब रे जाऊ 16/4/25 30/4/25 20/6/25 हाँ
ठीक है in between
को जेल से
सुंदरगढ़ आजकल फुल
राजगांगपुर लिखा है अपन एबे गोटे I think registry has given you a list of 250 cases.
that we have also verified, and the letter was not issued, already intimated status.
No, we are putting up this case on 22nd. Will not grant you more time on, but obtain instruction or otherwise we take pass necessary orders. Let me. An order was passed on 16/4/2025, asking the Land Council for the state to obtain instruction regarding the status of the appellant. Since the jail criminal appeal is of the year 2007, when the matter was listed again on 30/4/2025, at the instance of the Land Council for the state, the matter was urgent and it was listed on 26/2025, and the Land Council for the state again took time. Today, the Land Council for the state again makes a submission that is yet to receive instruction regarding the status of the appellant. More than 6 months have already passed since the date of pronouncement of the first order, but unfortunately, the state is unable to obtain instruction regarding the status of the appellant, which stated to be in judicial custody and lost in Rajgang Court Jail. The Land Council for the state 6 time till next week to obtain necessary instruction in the matter. Put up this matter on 22nd of October 2025. Free copy of the order be handed over to the Land Council for the state. Ms. Tapaswini Sinha, Land Council for the appellant is present. Eta upar likh debo. Hala. Yanko na ta kahi rahibo?
ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଆଲର୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା
Acha, all right. Yes. Next.
Item 18.
18 also measured on 20th June, whatever the vote was come for.
For appellant number 1, you have got the information. What about the other appellant?
Other upon that we have got for. I trace on next week.
କେତେ ଜଣ appellant other ଅଛନ୍ତି?
5 ଜଣ.
ନାଇଁ 5 ଜଣ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ conviction ହେଇଥିଲା, but so far as this jail criminal appeal is concerned, वकालतनामा କେତେ ଜଣ sign କରିଛନ୍ତି? 1 2 3 4 ହଁ ସମସ୍ତେ sign କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଠିକ ଅଛି। Okay.
Here also the same story. 16/4/2025 order. And thereafter 29. Thereafter 20 June and
24 both the matters for that I can 24.
The
24.
अच्छा चलो 24 कर दो। 21 22 जगह 24 कर दो। इधर लिखूं तो when the matter was taken up on 16/4/2025, Land Council for the state was asked to obtain instruction relating to the status of the appellants since the jail criminal appeal is of the year 2007. And the matter was then listed on 29/4/2025, and the Land Council for the state produced the report from the Superintendent Special Jail Bhanjanagar, which indicated that appellant number 1, Gumani Sethi, has been released on bail. However, this Land Council for the state sought for adjournment to obtain instruction in respect of the other 4 appellants. And thereafter the matter was listed on 26/2025. Again, time was sought for. तापरे से जिनता operating portion जा अछि से अलग जगह है ना এটা হলো 24 তারিখ আসিও 24/10/2025 ଆଉ ତା ଦେହରେ वकालत नामରେ ଦେଖଉଛି ସେମାନେ ସେତେବେଳେ ରହିଥିଲେ ସବୁ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ସବ୍ ଜେଲ এটা କୋଡ଼ିଆ କଣ ନଗର ଭଞ୍ଜନଗର ଆଚ୍ଛା ଭଞ୍ଜନଗର yes next
Item 19.
Mrs. Bidut Lotta Mahanti, Mr. Roti Mahanti.
Would do we supply it? For hearing.
Appellant custody achieve upon model convict prison at God.
There's no application.
किए जानिचंदी विद्युत लता महांती किए advocate.
I contacted with the Rati Mahanti. She stated that she is ill, cannot attend court.
किए
Rati Mahanti.
नहीं विद्युत लता महांती
Lata Mahanti.
এটা কাকু ইন্টারেস্ট করছিলে কি
Vidur Lata Mahanti.
नहीं रति महांती appointed as amicus curiae.
Yes.
The order is dated 11/9/2027. she received the paper book on behalf of Mr. Ratiman. Because she has never been engaged as the counsel for the appellant.
Prisoner
Prisoner petition
अच्छी।
रति महांती को बदलेंगे
ओहो अच्छा जब
वकील
अच्छा ठीक है then it's all right. हाँ हाँ ठीक है।
এটা 31/12/24
They are related to each other or what? Rati Mahanti and Bidurlada Mahanti? ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି।
ବଦଳାଇ ଓକିଲ ଦବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛି
ହଁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି but are you aware about the who is
ବିଦ୍ୟୁତଲତା
Bidurlada
ମହାନ୍ତି
Mahanti?
ରତି ମହାନ୍ତିଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଦେଖି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫୋନ କରିଥିଲି ତାଙ୍କର ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ଆସିଥିଲେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସିଏ ତ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଗଲାଣି or his name should not have been even reflected in the cause list also because we have accepted the prayer made in the prisoner's petition and now the lady is the advocate.
Application is also not there. Application is also not there. Application for bail is also not there.
Bail. Can you
custody certificate और मांगे नहीं थे
ये ज्वाइन करी दूं आठगढ़ रो मॉडल कन्विक्ट प्रेजेंट पचार दे कि नहीं ताको एडवोकेट नहाती तो चेंज कर दवा जो दे दवा ता पचारी कि नहीं कर दवा और कारण से मोबाइल नंबर भी दी थी तो कांटेक्ट करी होता अंदर मोबाइल नंबर नहीं एंड यू आर नॉट अवेयर हु इज Bidurlada Mahanti. But last time I think she appeared.
She appeared. She continuously appearing.
You see, 2007 appeal, we could have taken off for hearing the, and she has, we have already said that paper book is to be handed over. Paper book बाहर करना. What is the case? 302 na कौन?
21st August 2015 paper book taken.
हम जोड़ा तो खबर दी हमको एडवोकेट चेंज कर दे माने हियरिंग ही जो ना
Your Lordship, may engage some other.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କହି ସେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଜଣେ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଏନଗେଜ କଲୁ ତାଙ୍କର ତାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ କନଫିଡେନ୍ସ ଅଛି ତ ହଠାତ୍ ସେମିତି କରିବାଟା ଠିକ ହବନି ତା ପାଖରେ ଯଦି କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବର ଥିବ ଯଦି ଦେଇପାରନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଇଏ କରିବା ଦେନ୍ ନ ଦେଇ ପାରିଲେ we can just you make a contact
Particularly she has been appearing in all the cases, not that
चौबीसशो पच्चीस इस बुक पेपर मार्क से भी तैयार कर देंगे पेपर का नो आप मैंने लास्ट डेट रे 2425 Mrs. Mahanti, London Council, the applicant submit that she may be solved a copy of the paper. So this last date.
And even there is no application for bail.
In judicial custody, the date is 10/11/2004. We are in 2025. Almost 21 years a man has remained in custody and so we are just passing it over. We are not adjourning with the moment. Yeah. जो मोमेंट से जॉइन करियो तम फोन अतम कहि दियन से लोकडा धरि किना आसीबे हां यस नेक्स्ट
Item 20.
The applicant is alive.
The Land Council for the state has produced the written instruction dated 15/7/2025 received from IAC R. Udayagiri Police Station, which indicates that the appellant is alive. The written instruction is taken on record.
And the fourth number of paperwork available. It may be supplied to that list and hearing list.
Bail policy?
Yes.
Acha.
Since 2012.
Let a copy of the paperwork be handed over to the Land Council. Mr. Behra, Land Council for the appellant, so also to the Land Council for the state. अपन आज ही नहीं जानते।
Yes, sir.
ताकू next week न रखीन गोटे week परे रखुछु। In the meantime, please prepare yourself. List this matter the information from such and such. अच्छा इगुड़ा को तो सब से old matter है जीवो ना?
हाँ old matter.
Old matter जीवो ताकू ये कर दिया ताकू Tuesday रखी जाओ। So that से bench रे पड़ेगा।
Dedicated bench पे।
Dedicated bench रे पड़ेगा। 28 तारीख रखी जाओ, है ना? Don't take adjournment on that day.
No, no.
Yes.
Item 21.
21 minutes before next room. One person is in there.
कितने जन फाइल कर चुके हैं?
अच्छा जान।
हाँ वो सलाह नामा 1 2 3 4 5 ठीक है 5 जन जगह फाइल कर चुके हैं। Somebody is dead.
जो last अपना नंबर 5 हरिसिंह बोद्रा।
ଆଉ ବାକି ସବୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ବେଲ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବେଲ୍ କେବେ ହେଲା ତାው
ଏଠି ଏପିଟା ତ କୋ ସେକ୍ଟର 2 ର ଅଛି ପାଣି ଜମୁଡା ଏଣ୍ଡ ଦଲମୁ ଜମୁଡା
number 1
जेल क्रिमिनल अपील का कुछ आसे नहीं ना माने खाली आसी जाए रॉन्ग लिख देवे बट
ठीक होती है but local
तो नंबर चाहिए अंजन जगह था ना 1 2 3 3 जन साइन तो नहीं डिटेक्ट किए हो डिटेक्ट किए 3टा सिग्नेचर हां बेल केबे हिची
अपना नंबर 1 पानी जमुडा
1 and 4 जे 15/9/2014 तापरे
कन्वर्ट
ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆଉ କାହାକୁ ବେଲ ହେଇଥିଲା କି?
ବିଜନ ମୁର୍ମୁ 1/9/14 ବେଲ୍ ଦେଇଛି।
1/9
ନିଶ୍ଚିତ
ଆଉ 2/3 କୁ ବେଲ ହେଇଛି 15/7/2014। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରହିଲା
ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ରିପୋର୍ଟ
you see 15/7/24 ରେ A2 ଆଉ A3 ୟାଙ୍କୁ ବେଲ ହେଇଛି। ତାପରେ then we find that on 15/9/2024 bail has been granted to A1 and A4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5 ର କେବେ ବେଲ ହେଇଛି? Date 5 अच्छा अच्छा 5 ଟା ହଉଛି हरि सिंह is dead अच्छा कौन
हर्षिंग बोधरे has died।
ठीक है बाकी ठीक अच्छी ये 4 जनों तो सुना वो काउंसिल कहाँ थी? BL त्रिपाठी करो ना केमती आसिला एठी कौन प्रिजनर्स पिटिशन थिला ना कौन आमे तो एंगेज करिनु बोधे आमे वी एंगेज्ड मिस्टर विस्मयानंद पृष्टि then how she was examined and engaged maybe on the basis of some letter. Acha, she filed wafalatnama without the consent of the, all right. So, since the BL Tripathi ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପ୍ୟାନେଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା?
ହଁ
ବିଜୟଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ତ୍ରିପାଠୀ
ବୀଣାପାଣି ତ୍ରିପାଠୀ
ନାଇଁ ବୀଣାପାଣି ତ୍ରିପାଠୀ ଆଉ କୁଆଡେ ବସୁଛନ୍ତି ସିଆଡେ କୁଆଡେ? Have you received the paper book? कि मना कला कि आपन रिसीव करियो आपन वकालतनामा फाइल कले 2007 मसियार अपील आपन पेपर बुक नै कि रेडी हेबे हमें डाकुछु आपन पछरे बसु you receive the paper book and get yourself prepared. The Learning Council for the state has produced the written instruction received from IIC Bishui Police Station dated 19/7/2025, which shows that except appellant number 5, Hari Singh Badra, all the other 4 appellants, namely Pani Jamuda, Tulumu Jamuda, Bija Murmu, and Champa Badra are alive. The report is taken on record. Ms. Binapani Tripathi, Learning Council, appearing for the appellants, submits that she is yet to receive the paper book. Upon a paper book copy, Learning Council for the state submit that he has received the paper book. Let the registry supply copy of the paper book to Ms. Binapani Tripathi during course of the day. Lekhi now. Allah, put of this matter. A Corona matter is 28 तारीख आसीबो से जो बेंच रे हाँ get yourself ready 28/10/2025.
Item 22.
This just
May I be your seat?
that is coming with you. এটা জয়েন কলে কহিবে ଆପଣ ଆସିଲେଣି କି?
ଅଛନ୍ତି।
କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଆଇଟମ ଟା?
19.
19 ଟା ବାଦ।
Item 19.
जेल सुपरिटेंडेंट कहाँ थी साहब? मॉडल जेल की ऑप्शन
ସୁପରିଟେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଜେଲ ସୁପରିଟେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଆସନ୍ତୁ। ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଜେଲର। ଆସିଛୁ।
এটা
କାଳିଆ ଅଲେସ ରବିନା।
वेट ये हाई कोर्ट ये भरतो এটা মডেল কনফ্লিক্ট রিজন 8গড় তো
हाँ
अच्छा ये जो 8गड़ स्पेशल जेल रो सुपरिटेंडेंट किए तू बुझी ना नहीं
अरे अनम्यूट करंतु सुपरिटेंडेंट के आसंतु
अनम्यूट करछन कैमराटा को देखा
कैमराटा क्वाड सेड बुली देला
कैमराटा आनतु
अरे आमे जा कहूछु सुनी पारुचंती
आपण नाम कोंतु
रवि नायक
आगु आगु
रवि नायक लिस्ट कालिया।
अच्छा से जो बाबू छिड़ाई जन तांको ना कोन जे पुलिस बाबू जो छिड़ाई जन जेल ऑफिसर
आपण नाम कोंतु आपण कर
अरे से कोन
जेलर आपण सुपरिटेंडेंट अछन असिस्टेंट जेलर अछन
आपण सुनी परचंती
ସେମାନେ ୟୁନିଫର୍ମ ନଥିଲେ
ए रवि नायक आपण केते वर्ष लानी अछंती ता भितरे
रवि नायक कोंतु केते वर्ष ला रहिलेनी
रवि नायक सुनी परचो
अरे जेलर तांको कहि दउ नांती आपण तो असिस्ट करंतु
वॉइस प्रॉब्लम होची
नमस्कार सर
सुनी परचंती आपण
सर सर आज्ञा सर नमस्कार सर
ए जो रवि नायक को कहतु से केते वर्ष लानी रहिलानी भितरे बुझी टे
सर 23 वर्ष लानी सर
अच्छा ए जो मॉडल कन्विक्ट प्रिजन 8गड़ रो सुपरिटेंडेंट किए
सर सुपरिटेंडेंट सर को एक्सीडेंट हेची सर से सर घरे अछंती सर
अच्छा ये बर्तमान सब
दांशु शेखर बेहरा सर
किए बुझुचंदी बर्तमान किए ताका चार्ज किए अछंदी
सर मु अछि सर संगनाथ गिरी असिस्टेंट जेलर सर
असिस्टेंट जेलर अच्छा
ना कोन आपण ना कोन
शंभुनाथ गिरी असिस्टेंट जेलर सर
शंभुनाथ
गिरी सर
गिरी
ये रवि नायक आपण ए जो गोटे जेल रु गोटे चिठी देइथिले हमकु 31/12/2024 रे और तादेर लिखिथिले जे श्रीमती विद्युत लता महांती को आपणकर वकील हिसाब रे आमे नियुक्ति करा जाऊ एवं आपणकर लेखिबा जे आमे मैडम को विद्युत लता महांती को नियुक्ति कलु आ आज जितेबले केसटा लिस्ट होइछि हाई कोर्ट रे तो आपणकर वकील नाहांती तो वकीलंकर किछि कांटेक्ट नंबर आपन पाखरे अछि
वकील नंबर अछि सर अछि तांको पाखरे किंतु सर रूम रे रही छि से
अच्छा
आज्ञा सर
के समय भीतर आनिकिन देई परिबे
आज्ञा सर
हाँ आनिकिन दियंतु आमे आउ 10-15 मिनिट पर आउ थरे जोगाजोग करिवो आपण आनिकिन दियंतु
आज्ञा
कारण नचे जदि विद्युत लता महांती बदल रे आउ का को आपण वकील दबाउ चाहुचंदी हेई परिवो नचेत विद्युत लता महांतींकर नंबर दियंतु हमर कांटेक्ट कर देबे सरकारी वकील तांको जणै देबे हला जे केस लिस्ट हेची बेली
आज्ञा सर
हां
10 मिनिट पर आसी जॉइन करिवे
सर सर
चलो राखो नने माटो
Item 22.
May I please your lordship? My lord, earlier petitioner entered in there 3 months. Order number 221/2025.
Have you surrendered?
Right time, my lord, surrender. Order number 5.
Now you have filed another bail application.
Yes, my lord.
So what was his conduct during the interim bail period?
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମଡେଲ ଜେଲ କୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଛି 8 ମଲ୍ଲିକରେ ଥିଲେ ମଡେଲ ଜେଲ କୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ତ वी आर नॉट डूइंग द कंडक्ट फ्रॉम द मॉडल जेल सो ए
से जो गाँव रे जाई रहिथिबे सेठु आनिबे आईआईसी आनिबे
आईआईसी हैज नॉट गिवन दैट रिपोर्ट
आ कोन आनिजे दैट इज द ऑर्डर अर्लियर जेतबेले हमें बेल देलु सेतला आपन कुहाइतिला तांकर आनिबा पे
We are already sent the letter on 28
Thereafter also 19 September there is another order.
लेखंदु IN number 1820/2025. This is an application for bail. Mr. Asutosh Tripathi, London Council, appearing through virtual High Court Hon'Ble, submits that the petitioner was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months by the order dated 21/2025, and after availing the interim bail period, he has surrendered at right time, and he has also filed the surrender certificate, which is at flag E. The London Council for the State seeks some time to obtain instruction regarding the conduct of the petitioner while on interim bail. Put up this matter. Kebe rakhi apun 30th
30 तारिख
एक हाँ
30 तारिख
30 तारिख यही परिबन गुरुवार अछि से एई बेंच रे आसीबो 31 नल 29
Online.
Item 23.
Yes, Mr. Sarangi. You are appearing in CRL number 1073 of 2022.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, let's go, my lord.
How many applicants are there? One.
One.
Suraj Sharma.
Yes, my lord.
So,
Connected appeal, I am appealing.
we are going one by one. So, have you been, your bail application has been rejected earlier or not?
Yes.
On what date? So first, it seems it is rejected on 19/12/2022. How tapare?
Tapare nahi to nahi.
How file karna?
Nice.
12/8/2013 ରୁ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ଏ ସରି 16/8/2013
Just verifying that. Why have you filed an interim bail application? So also the application. ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ interim application ବି ଅଛି bail ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ regular bail application ରହୁଛି।
सर जेल रे इंटरिम कला हेतला जेल रे तार देह भल नथिला से
अच्छा से छाड़ो सेटा नॉट प्रेस कर दियंतु।
यस मैम
IA number 320 of 2024 not press। बाकी since when you are in custody?
16 रहो ठीक है तू तू करो
Final form
16/8/2013
final form बाहर करो।
We're in page 55 page 55
नाटा होची कोन
page 55 रे सर
शर्मा सूरज शर्मा अछि 16/8/2023
आज्ञा
16/2013 सॉरी 16/8/2013 माने एबला अच्छा बेल जाई नथिले आपण
नहीं
देखि ऑर्डर सीटा all accused persons produced in custody
55 पेज रे अछि टिकेट करछन
produced in custody produced in custody
डिटेल अछि एठो इनटू में जाई
Oh. What is the allegation against you?
Malo
Case kono? Will be received by firearm.
firearm there are 4 accused persons my lord
Eyewitness अछंती ना फ्रेंड
allegedly अछंती किंतु से हॉस्टाइल ही जांती
We do line is the eyewitness and is the proof of and the another accused that is a Salil Patnaik there are 5 antidotes there.
No, we are in this Suraj Sharma. Suraj Sharma नार किछ अछि क्रिमिनल एंटीसिडेंट
चंद्रशेखर केस नंबर अछि
हां
गोटे एंटीडेंट अछि
कोन सेटा केबे कर
19
की ऑफेंस
19
19 केमति
19 तो भीतर अछि मु
13 रो पूरा भीतर अछि
I am appearing on behalf of the informant.
Wait. Are you aware about any criminal antecedent?
One criminal antecedent.
केबे कर
Yes.
He is in custody since 2013.
So far as the Tarini Patnaik is concerned.
Oh, आपण सूरज शर्मा को अन्य को जानती जेतला पचरा होची सूरज शर्मा
Yes.
सूरज शर्मा alias नेपू तार जदि क्रिमिनल एंटीसिडेंट कोन अछि कोंतु PW9 is the eyewitness.
Yes.
now see a informant
and information.
Direct allegation is there.
Article 15 also another evidence versus that hostage.
On so all on a sudden, three accused persons arrived there. Lalla Patnaik answered, the apothecary is my father. And my father fell down on the ground. Attempting to get from the ground, all the three accused persons fired bullets from their respective pistols, aiming towards my father. Seeing this, I arrived and found their rescue. PW9 I. Our doctor, PM doctor.
Middle 10, 18. Middle 18.
Bullet injury are there. Cause of death is due to shock and multiple gunshot injuries.
Your Lordship has considered similarly placed persons bail application. CRLA 716 of 22. Order dated 2011-2024.
Who case रे?
यार चारि जण रु जण को आपण कंसीडर करछन्ती आ जण अदर नेचर
ये क्रिमिनल अपील पर ये जणे अछि
सर सेपरेट अपील सेपरेट अपील
ये बेल जाईची
दुई जण जाइछन्ती चारि जण रु आपण गोटे कंसीडर करछन्ती दिस बेंच नो दी
नंबर केते
20/11/2024
Criminal Appeal 716 of 2022.
that is connected ही आसी
CRA 716
of 22
कोउ दिन बेल लेइछन
20/11/24.
ये 2024 आउ
जने from the date of admission.
आउ जणे हितले यूनिवर्सिटी
नोना
एटा कनेक्टेड ही आसी रेकॉर्ड सर
तो स्पोडिया ले लेसन नोना क्रिमिनल अपील 722 of 2022.
एटा हला 7/12/2022
ठीक है
722 होता है
एटा हो कि आपनकर
एटा आंसर नहीं
716 जाईची
राजेश कुमार बारिक
आरडा कोथरे जाईची
संतोष पड़ी CRLA 772-22
72222
ऑर्डर डेटेड 7/12/2022
7/12/2022 ता ना कौन
संतोष पढ़ियारी आईएस नाना रिलायंस नाना
Pistol has been seized from these two appellants.
9 number टा बाहर कला उतरे PW9 3 persons जो माने पहुंचिले
26
आदिरे गला शैल पटनायक पिंटू बारिक सूरज माने के बेल ले जाई ना
पिंटू बारिक गला
सर राजेश बारिक जी
राजेश जी
राजेश आ गया
से पिंटू
और सेम फुटिंग में गलानी
Different footing.
कौन
Gun has
different?
been seized from the
हां
gun has gone and the cattery has been seized from these two accused.
ना जो असॉल्ट अछि तीन जन जाको आसिले मोटरसाइकिल ले ताकू गोटे किक दिया गला से पड़ी गला डिसीज्ड देन all the three allegation is that all the three persons fired bullets from their respective pistols towards my father. So one has been released on bail, out of which this Pintu, whose name is also Rajesh, he has been released on bail. What is the distinctive feature between Pintu and this petitioner?
So far as the Suraj Sharma is concerned, absolutely there is no. So far as the solid,
Absolutely, there is no
material.
No material. आमे बर्तन तारी भी.
So far as the solid part नहीं.
आसिबु सेठी. हाँ. बर्तन आमे नेपु पाई पछल. Yes, so what do you say?
Yes, Lord Judge. So for the
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. The Mr. Sarangi and senior advocate appearing for the petitioner Suraj Sharma alias Nepal submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody. 16/8/2013
12
and
Sixteen.
counsel for the state has also produced his custody certificate of the petitioner. It is dated the date के तो दो ना दिए थी ना
3/10/25
which is dated 3/10/2025, which shows that the petitioner has remained in custody for 12 years, more than 12 years. The custody certificate is taken on record. Land counsel for the petitioner submits that even though the bail application of the petitioner was earlier rejected by order dated ever rejected na
Order letter 19/12/22.
19/12/22
in IA number 2035.
12/2022. Fine, 19/12. Oh, 19/12/20. But similarly situated co-accused, namely Rajesh Kumar Barik,
alias Pintu,
alias Pintu,
sir,
has been directed to be released on bail in CRLA number 716 of 2022 by order dated 20/11/2022. The further submits that another co-accused, namely
Santosh Padiyari,
Santosh Padiyari,
alias Nana.
has been directed to be released on bail in CRLA number 722 of 2022 as per order dated 7/12/2022. And in view of the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, and since there is no chance of early hearing, the bail application of the petitioner may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state based the evidence of PW9 Dhananjay Naik is an eyewitness to the occurrence. Also PW18, the doctor who conducted post-mortem examination. However, he submits that the petitioner is similarly situated like the Rajesh Kumar Barik, the appellant in CRLA number 716 of 2022, who has been enlarged on bail. Learned counsel for the informant has also not disputed the same submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, the release of the similarly situated co-accused on bail in the connected appeal, and absence of any chance of early hearing. We are inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not indulge in any criminal activities while on bail and shall not try to come in contact with any of the prosecution witnesses or the family members of the deceased.
Yes.
Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail.
One condition, he may be appeared before the police station, one condition.
You can't put it.
Hadn't that
ଗଣ୍ଡଗୋଳ କରିବେ ଯଦି ଆସିବେ ଆଉ କଣ shall lecture once in a month. Once in a month on every Sunday will appear before the IAC. ଘର କୋଉଠି?
So far as the Salil Patnaik is concerned,
Will appear before the IIC of Nayapoli Police Station once in a month, on Sunday, last Sunday, for example, in between 10 to 4, and free copy of the order be handed over to the Land Council for the state for communication to the concerned IIC. Last Sunday, 10ଟା ରୁ 4ଟା ଭିତରେ ଥରେ appear କରିବେ ମାସକୁ ଥରେ, ହେଲା, ବାକି bail allowed ହେଲା. Yes, connected phone.
Connected appeal means same allegation. Your lordship granted bail to my learned senior thank my lord. The loan has been recovered from his possession, my possession also. The evidence of the
Soil of Patnaik.
my lord. The gun has been seized from me and the person was granted bail.
जो PW9 रो evidence on the
ମୁଁ ସଲେ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ଅଛି ପିଣ୍ଟୁ ବାରିକ ବି ଅଛି
you are present with the
ତମେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ 3 ଜଣ ଯାକ ବନ୍ଧୁକ ଧରି ମାଇଲେ ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲେ
just
PW9 evidence.
PW9 तीन जण जो मारले ना हाँ सलिल पट्टनायक. अच्छा आपण कस्टडी केबे
16/8/13 माइल सेम डे.
Lord, he is the main principal actor.
What is the difference role?
Yes, difference is there. Lord, is the
antisocial. This is the report of the
Dadavati. Due to Dadavati, the festive season is going on. Festive
How many
season is going
cases
on.
are there? 5 cases. You file a comprehensive affidavit. Listen, the Land Council for the state has produced the written instruction received from the IIC Nayapoli Police Station to show that there are 5 criminal antecedents against the petitioner. Land Council for the petitioner seeks some time to obtain instruction relating to the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit serving a copy on the Land Council for the state. Stop. Land Council for the state has also produced the custody certificate of the petitioner, which is taken on record. Put up this matter. केवे रखिया कौन?
15 days you
15 days. अच्छा. Put up this matter on
29th
of October 2020.
कॉपी है एंटीजेंट होता है.
अच्छा, ये तांको अच्छी की अपन भाई
अच्छी मोबाइल
ना अच्छा भेज.
Item 24.
ଏଠି ଯୋଉ ଇଏଟା ଆସିଲେ କହିବେ ହେଲା she should appear good to unnecessarily on. Yes, next.
May I please?
Bas.
Okay. Available अच्छी आपण पारे contact number.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
କୁହନ୍ତୁ contact number ଟିକେ ଟିକେ
9937
ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ନମ୍ବର କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
99
ହଁ
37
ହୁଁ
40
ହୁଁ
6
40 ପରେ
26
40 ପରେ 26
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
ଆଉ
03
03.
03 ठीक 10 ଟିକେ ହେଲା ପଢିକି ନା ଉତରେ ଶୁଣେଇ ଦିଅ.
9937
ଆଜ୍ଞା
40
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
26
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
03.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମଡେଲ ଯୋଉ କନଭିକ୍ଟ ପ୍ରିଜନ ଅଛି ସେଠି କେତେ ଜଣ କନଭିକ୍ଟେଡ ପର୍ସନ୍ସ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି?
ସାର୍ 193 ସାର୍
193.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
henceforth ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଇ ଟାଇପ ର ପ୍ରିଜନର୍ସ ପିଟିସନ ପଠେଇବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିବ ଯେ କୌଣସି ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଆଡଭୋକେଟଙ୍କୁ ଏନଗେଜ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିବ ସେ ଆଡଭୋକେଟଙ୍କର ଯଦି କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବର ସେ କନଭିକ୍ଟ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ ସେ ନା ପରେ ବ୍ରାକେଟରେ ସେ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବରଟି ଦେବେ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
ବୁଝିଲେ? ହଉ ବାକି ଇଏ रवि नायक आमे से मैडम को जोगाजोग करने को चेष्टा करुचु सरकारी वकील एवं जनइबे तेणु तांकु मध्य गोटे सुजोग दियो से मैडम को कहिबे से फोन रे जे केस लिस्ट थिला आपण आसिलेनी बेली हला जेलु आपण जो प्रोविजन अछि कांटेक्ट करिया पई एडवोकेट को हला तांकु मध्य दियो सुजोग से मैडम को कहिबे सो दैट केस लिस्ट हबो नेक्स्ट वीक रे 24 तारीख रे दिन लिस्ट हबो मैटर हला सुनी परछन ना नहीं
आज्ञा सर
24 तारीख दिन मैटर टा लिस्ट हबो सी तांकु एडवोकेट को कथावार्ता हुंतु एवं एठी मध्य सरकारी वकील एडवोकेट को जणाई देबे हला
आज्ञा सर
कांटेक्ट नंबर टा ये रो एठी लिखि दै था हला फाइल लिखि दियंतु when the matter was called, this is item number 19 since Vidulata Mahanti, Mrs. Vidulata Mahanti, whom the was engaged as the counsel as per the request made in the prisoner's petition was not available. The land counsel for the state was asked to ensure the presence of the appellant through virtual mode from model convict prison Atgod special cell in which he is lodged. The convict, the appellant appeared through virtual mode and stated that he wants to continue Srimati Vidulata Mahanti as his advocate, and he also gave the contact number of the land council. The land council for the state submitted that he will pass the necessary instructions to Mrs. Mahanti in the contact number which has been given by the appellant about the listing of the case on next Friday, that is on 24th of October 2025. So there is this matter on 24th October 2025. आपनकर केस 24 तारीख रे रही आपण एडवोकेट को कहीदेवे जदि से बेल दरखास्त दबा कथा से दे पारती है ठीक अच्छे नेक्स्ट
Item 24.
May I please? Here the appellant is convicted on section 302 IPC and sentenced to life in prison, and he custody.
Agur reject है कि?
No, actually. Which
custody date कौन?
9/8/2015.
Final submitting the custody certificate.
10 years.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
10 years, 2 months.
Mr. Nayak,
My lord, P2 3, 9, 10 are right.
reject ही नहीं पहला. कौन केस कौन?
302, P2 3, 9 and 10 are right next to the offense.
Just a minute. P.W.
3, 9, 10.
9, 10. Or Dr. P.
P2 16.
16.
Dr. 16. Dr. Again, Dr. P.W. Aswan.
Yes, madam.
Hold on. There point. Custody certificate.
Yes,
Please read out the.
I know the informant Sandeep Kumar Devri. I know the accused Vibhacha Devri standing in the dock on 7/8/2015 about 1:30 a.m. to 1:40 a.m. at village end of Gosar. The occurrence took place. I was proceeding towards village Bonamali at relevant time. I talked with Sumant.
Who evidence of place for Jundi?
Sorry, madam. P2 9.
P2
3.
3.
P.W. 3.
Yes, madam. I know the informant Sandeep Kumar Devri. I know the accused standing in the dock. Occurrence took place on 7/8/2015 about 11:30 a.m. at village end of Ghosar. I was sitting on the backside of deceased Sumanta, who was driving his motorcycle. The accused wrongfully restrained the deceased on the road. The accused assaulted by an axe tangia on his head. The injured fell down from the motorcycle to left side. I jumped from the motorcycle to right side and went I went away out of fear. I intimated the matter over mobile phone to Dushmanta Deori, who is the brother of the deceased. I proceeded to the PS.
Corresponding injuries are there
Yes.
as per the PM report.
But yes,
Any criminal antecedent?
Criminal incident act.
So,
I have also given the criminal incident report.
and counsel for the state and counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in custody for more than 10 years and he is having no criminal antecedent. And counsel for the state has produced the custody certificate. So also the report received from IAC.
Two number of Sapun.
Ishwarnagar police station, which indicates that there is no criminal antecedent. When counsel for the petitioner submits that there are 3 eyewitnesses to the occurrence, that is PW 3910 and
Leading to discover PW 21.
PW 16 is the doctor who conducted post-mortem examination. And in view of the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, since there is no chance of early hearing, the bail application may be favorably considered. And counsel for the state argued that the evidence of the eyewitnesses is corroborated by the medical evidence adduced by PW 16, and on the basis of the statement of the appellant, the weapon of offense was also seized by the investigating officer. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, absence of any chance of early hearing, and absence of any criminal antecedent, we are inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 25.
On the last occasion, I had for instruction regarding the health condition, antecedent, and his behavior.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Contact number.
Earlier bail application of the petitioner was rejected on 24/11/2023.
आगु रिजेक्ट ही
24/11/23. 24/11/23.
24/11/2023
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
अच्छा कस्टडी केते हला दिलंती
4921 वाला डेट ऑफ
3 years 11 months.
3 years 11
Oh, 3 years जमा
I'm appealing for the condition is also suffering from leading to oral cancer.
Right.
ଅଛି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି ସେଟା କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ହେଇନାହିଁ।
Will lead to cancer. Case of blood out of sudden provocation as well.
properly treating man.
ଏବେ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ 3 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେମିତି ଗୋଟେ
ଜେଲ୍ ଅଥରିଟି also properly treating ସବୁ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଜେଲ୍ ଅଥରିଟି ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
So you are getting free treatment. Why are you?
Cancer treatment are difficult.
And the treatment is very expensive outside.
Yes, sir.
ୱେବସାଇଟ୍ ରେ ବାହାର କରିଥିଲି ସେଟା accurate
Case of sudden provocation.
आप मेरिट रे कोन दुनिया आपण एपे रिजेक्ट ହେଇଛି 3 ବର୍ଷ ଜମା ହେଇଛି ଆଉ कोन एडा आपण तो नौचंदी रेगुलरली एठी माने हॉस्पिटल को नौचंदी ओडा ट्रीटमेंट चलची आपण को तार तो किछि नेग्लिजेंस नाही जेल अथॉरिटी को आ ये ठीक बा आनथले आपण को एससीबी की बण आइची
गुटका खाଇବା ଛାଡି ଦେଲେ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯିବ
हां
गुटका खाଇବା ଛାଡି ଦେଲେ ठीक ହେଇଯିବ
सेठी कोन ता भीतर कोन गुटका
आलू वाले खाए
ସବୁ available।
जेल रे खाउछ
No, no. Is it allowed there?
No, no, no.
That's what I was.
Really good.
Paying capacity ହେଲେ ହେଇଗଲା।
ଏଇଟା ଥାଉ ଏଇଟା The Learning Council for the state has produced the custody certificate, conduct certificate, and health condition report of the appellant. Taken on report. Acha. Put up this matter in the month of January 2026. In the meantime, the Learning Council for the state shall obtain the criminal antecedent report to the concerned IAS. Also criminal antecedent report which are taken on the consider Mr. Mishra and counsel for the informant is present. It is this matter in January 2026.
Item 26.
My last transfer bill. I number 847/2025. Occurrence date 23/9/2013.
One minute.
My lord.
Like how the convicts were released on interim bail as for the order so and so. Convicts surrendered and sent to jail custody.
Police जो report ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତା conduct ସେଥିରେ କେବଳ ଜଣକ ନାଁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଧ୍ରୁବଗୁରୁ।
ଓ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆରଟା ଆଣିବେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
ହଁ ନେଇ ଆସିବେ।
କଣ ନେଇ ଆସ? The
My lord, appellant number 2 जो गिरी गोवर्धन गुरु गाल घरे अछि पूरा ब्लाइंड ମାନେ ଇଏ ହଉଛି ୱାନ୍ ଅଛି ହେଲ୍ଥ କଣ୍ଡିସନରେ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ଆସିଛି 2 ର ଗିରି ଗୋବର୍ଦ୍ଧନ ଗୁରୁରେ ତା ଝିଅ ଅନ୍ଧ ଜି ମତ କେବେ ଟୋଟାଲ ପିରିୟଡ଼ 12 years 23 days
The Land and Council for the state, IA number so and so, this is an application for bail. The Land Council for the state has produced the written instruction received from IIC Sasson Police Station to show that the conduct of the appellant number 1, Drupo Guru, that there is no adverse report reported against the appellant number 1 during the interim bail period. However, Land Council for the state seeks some more time to obtain instruction regarding the conduct of appellant number 2, Giri Govardhan Guru, during the interim bail period. Put up this matter next week as well. Put up this matter on 24th of October 2025. This is taken on the roll. Yeah.
Item 32 interim bill.
सोमवार दिन आज एवढा तो आड़ है
May I pray item 27 may be called on the 22nd.
ये सोमवार तो नहीं सॉरी এটা আজকে বুধবার 22 তারিখ আদি
24th I will not be there. I
No, no,
saw your
22 তারিখ রে
I saw your lordship adjourning
No, no.
matters to
all these matters will be listed on 22nd.